Every roof can be a power plant, and we are making that vision a reality. Hi, I'm Amit Munshi, founder of JPHB Solutions and a professor at Colorado State University. I've dedicated the last 15 years of my life trying to improve the efficiency and performance of cadmium telluride thin film solar cells. When I started this research, these small area solar cells used to give an efficiency of about 10 to 12%. However, with dedicated efforts of me and my team, we improved the efficiency to upwards of 20%, which is at par with the top of the line technologies around the world today. Today, homeowners want solar on their roofs, but good options are limited. Panels look bulky and feel like an afterthought. A new roof and a solar system can cost $30,000 to $50,000 or more, and so-called premium solar roofs can cost 2 to 3 times that. The demand is clear. 77% of homeowners, as per our survey, prefer solar roof tiles. But there is still no affordable, scalable solution. Our vision was to create a roof tile that looks elegant, pays itself off, meets or exceeds the longevity of asphalt roof, and does not depend on offshore supply chain. That is why we created HelioSlate, a sleek US-made solar roof tile which replaces both roof and the solar panels. They install like regular shingles, look beautiful, and outperform silicon panels in the real world. All solar panels lose efficiency for each degree rise in their temperature. Cadmium telluride's loss is about half that of crystalline silicon. In one of our studies over a month in Thailand, cadmium telluride panels outperform crystalline silicon panels by about 20%. This isn't theory. We are already building it. We are actively building and testing prototypes to refine the process from individual cells to full panels, optimizing both scalability and power output. We have secured permits for occupancy and electrical operation, also acquired nearly $6 to $8 million worth of equipment and assets, and assembled a team of over 100 years of combined experience in thin film and solar manufacturing industry. I have personally invested over $150,000 to bring this vision to life, and we are ready to take the next step. We have also secured several exclusive license options for critical patents, and more have been filed for a stronger IP position. Our roadmap is clear: complete pilot manufacturing, achieve the UL and IEC certification, launch pilot installations, scale through regional roofing partners and turnkey systems. With more than 5 million roofs replaced every year in the United States, even a tiny fraction of the market equals billions in potential business opportunity. We are now raising our pre-seed round on WeFunder to fund pilot production, strengthen our IP, and prepare for certification. With your investment, we can make solar roofs practical, affordable, and proudly made in the United States of America. Join us and help turn every roof into a power plant.